Hi, it's Margaret, and today's short video is on the question if we should be flipping the Feng Shui chart for the Southern Hemisphere or the Northern Hemisphere when we're in those particular sectors. And the answer is no. It's the biggest mistake an amateur Feng Shui practitioner makes, and there's quite a few out there that thinks that climate is a factor. And wintertime is, of course, different for some countries, but it doesn't mean that you flip the planet or you flip the Lo Shu chart. The planet is moving forward, and we base it on the movement of the planet and not climate changes. So, again, Feng Shui is not based on climate, but based on the planetary positions and orbit. So you don't flip the Lo Shu chart, you don't flip the planet. So there's no flipping of chart. And we only base it on that one Lo Shu chart. Just to illustrate it a little bit, here on this slide is the pie chart and the grid chart of a Kan house facing South 2 and in period 8. And as you can see here, sometimes the chart is done in a pie style and also in a grid style. Now, this is the grid style is actually used because it makes it's easier to superimpose the chart onto the floor plan, especially when we are trying to find the small tai chi of the room. Okay, so most often you'll see these two type of chart. Now, please remember that although south is placed at the top, as you can see here in this slide, this is only the conventional way the Chinese do it. In practice, the Chinese north is the same magnetic north as the Western convention. So this does not mean that you need to flip the directions. In Feng Shui, whether you live in the southern or northern hemisphere, north is north and south is south, wherever you are. It's usually the Chinese practice of taking their reference point from the south, which is thus always placed at the top. So again, wherever you are, in the northern or southern part of the world or hemisphere, compass north is north and compass south is south. If you're practicing classical or traditional Feng Shui, this is how we determine a property's direction and location. Thank you for joining me and watching this video. Hope to see you soon. Bye bye now.